All right, so in order to remove this little bezel, this plastic surround piece, you start by taking off this Phillips head screw, then you have to pop your change drawer out, and there's two, or your ashtray, excuse me, and there's two up in there. So you pop those out, and you're able to actually pull the whole little plastic bezel off. So what I do is I actually kind of pull from underneath here and right in the center, and it'll actually pull off from here. So you don't have to risk breaking the whole piece. All right guys, so a lot of people don't know that you can actually replace the bulb in here when the light goes out. So this actually happens quite frequently where the light bulb itself will go out and people actually just replace the whole unit at the junkyard. I think that's kind of unnecessary, because all you really have to do is, once you get this surround pulled apart, you pull these little knobs off from here. Carefully remove this. All my little tabs are broken back here. I mean, this truck's so old, but yours might have the little tabs still intact, but you just remove this piece, it'll come out. You'll unclip this clip here for your AC button. And you'll have this little plastic piece right here. This is the light diffuser. You can kind of get behind it, and it doesn't require much persuasion to get off. Comes right off. And then you have a bulb right here. I've already replaced this. I already did this today earlier. But yeah, you pull this out with your fingers. You don't have to remove this whole unit. And then you replace it with these bulbs right here. They're 2721. Or you can use 2723, but yeah, you can see they're pretty small little bulbs. And then just wipe it off so you don't have your finger oils on it. And then you basically just place your diffuser back on, like so. So you just kind of put it in here on this side, clip it in just like that, and then you just reverse install everything. So you took it all back off, and then make sure it works first. Oops, just jarred something. Okay, so yeah, I forgot to mention, to check to see if it works, you have to have your dimmer switch plugged in. Yeah, that's what I forgot, sorry about that. Just plug this little fella in really quick. Okay, now, there you go. So the light works. And then you just put your, like I said, just put your diffuser back on. It's real simple. Just clicks in by hand. Sometimes it's not going to work for me now because I'm on video. But then there you go. So then you just reverse install everything, and there you go. Your light's fixed. So hopefully that was helpful. All right, so I went ahead and dimmed the lights down so we can see. And boom, it works again. Yay! So pretty cool. Also, these bulbs, I forgot to mention, at least for me, I could only find them at Advanced Auto Parts here in San Antonio, Texas. You might be able to find them at AutoZone and O'Reilly depending on where you live, but I was able to find them actually at Advanced. They're like I think like $5.47 for a pack of 2. So, cheers.